Hi everyone, my name is Paul Cuellar, and today I'm going to show you the NVIDIA Shield TV. This device runs on Android TV. It is used for streaming services that you have, Netflix, Hulu, Amazon TV, so many different services that you can get video from and watch all your shows in TV. So I'm going to unbox it for you and show you what it does and what it's all about. Let's pull it up. And there it is. So it's a cylinder style device. Has a remote that actually is kind of in the shape of a triangle, so it can not fall off your countertop or anything like that. So let's see. Pulls out. Very unique device. Both devices are very oddly shaped. So this is the remote and this is the NVIDIA Shield TV. It's a cylinder and looks like you just basically lay it down on your entertainment system. It's got an Ethernet jack and it's got section for power, HDMI, and it looks like a slot for an SD card and a power button. Remote has a Netflix dedicated button on it, of course. It's got power, menu, directional pad, play, home, forward. It's got a microphone icon for voice assistant. Press play, pause. You can do volume up, volume down, and of course go back. Looks like everything is already set to go with the battery. So can't wait to test it out. Thank you.